everybody, welcome to an unboxing of SONOFF POWR3 Smart Switch. This is a quite new device with high power and power metering. It runs on 25 amp output, and you can use it to connect a super high home appliance, and even it can be used as a smart meter to measure the power consumption of device in a single room. Let's see what's in the box. POWR3. User manual, 2 mounting brackets, product qualification card. You can see 2 buttons are located into the device. The left one is used to turn on or off the device manually and to pair with the Evelink app. The right one allows you to restart the device. On the center, you can see its detailed product specifications. It can be operated 100 to 240 wide voltage that is suitable for all areas. Designed with 4 wire terminals, 2 live and 2 neutral wires to connect the home appliance, to remotely control them and monitor the power consumption. Turn it over. You can install a DIN ring with brackets to create a movable space. Actually, you can see it is bigger than 4 SONOFF-POWR3 in size, but it has a higher power than POWR2. Why it exceeds the size of 4 SONOFF-POWR3? That's because it has a relay with high power, which requires a bigger size to match. Next, let's go to the lab to make a heavy load testing. So what's the scenario would you like to use it? Leave your creative answer in the comments. Bye bye! See you next!